Hello beautiful friends, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make this flavorful fried fish recipe. It's so delicious, it's flavorful. You guys don't want to miss this recipe, so if you're interested in seeing more of this recipe, keep on watching. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So to get this recipe started, I've got 4 beautiful red snapper. That's what it looks like. It's already washed and cleaned up. We're just going to go in with our knife and just make some shallow slices on the fish, just like that. It's going to help this seasoning to penetrate into the fish and bake much quicker. Now we are going to pat the fish dry with a paper towel, and then we're going to continue with this recipe. Once the fish is nice and dry, we're going to go in and season these beautiful red snappers. So we're going to add some extra virgin olive oil onto the fish. Then we're going to go in with our essence seasoning. This is going to give these beautiful fish lots of flavor. It's a flavor enhancer, so it's going to add lots of flavor to these beautiful fish. We're going to add our garlic powder. And then we're going to go in with about a teaspoon of Creole seasoning. This seasoning is very flavorful as well. Make sure to season both sides of the fish, guys. Season the inside of the fish as well. You want your fish to be nice and flavorful. Now we are going to add our smoked paprika. If you have regular paprika seasoning, you can add that as well. We're going to add our all-purpose seasoning. This seasoning is so flavorful, guys. So we're just going to add a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning on both sides of the fish. Now you want to take your hand and massage the seasoning all over the fish. Make sure the fish is fully coated into the seasoning. Now I'm going to go in with some garlic powder. And those fish looks absolutely beautiful, guys. The seasoning smells really good. Now we're going to add our black pepper. So this is the final seasoning that we're going to use on these beautiful fish. Next, we're going to get our stove ready. Make sure your oil is very hot. Now we're going to add 2 garlic cloves into the pot. Place the fish inside of the pot. Be very careful because the oil is very hot. Now we're going to fry these beautiful fish for about 10 to 12 minutes. Once the fish is nice and cooked through, we are going to remove them from the pot. That's what the fish looks like. It looks absolutely beautiful. It has that nice brown color. We're going to place the fish on a plate, and then we're going to continue with the second set of this beautiful fish. Be very careful with the oil, guys, because it's extremely hot. Now we're going to go in with the second batch of fish. Once the fish is done, we're going to take them out from the pot, and this is what the fish looks like so far. It's beautiful, it's cooked through, and it has that nice brown color, and the flavor is so nice. After frying the fish for 10 to 12 minutes, this is the final results. This fish came out so beautiful, guys. The flavor was amazing. The fish was nice and crunchy on the outside, it was juicy on the inside, and that's what the fish looks like. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Also share this video with your families and friends, and I hope to see you beautiful people in my next video. Bye guys.